Where are we at the moment?
Thurstaton Rock.
No, it's Thor's Rock.
Thurstaton Rock.
No, it's Thor.
Thor.
Like the god.
Oh, I think the area is like Thurstaton or Thurstaton.
No, Thurstaton. But this is called Thor's Rock. The fields and the sea. Is that the Mersey River? What's this? Oh, there's the sea. Ah, that's the sea, and this is the Mersey River. We're on the top. Oh, where's the key? Where's the key now? Oh, so this is River Mersey, River Dee, and Irish Sea. Also, that's the Irish Sea. There. How are you gonna jump it?
I'm gonna go in the short bit.
What? That's so unfair. You're a lot taller than me. Well, you made it look easy. Okay, I'll try. I'm gonna drop my phone. I can't. It's hard.
As I said, I think it's better going through the middle. Like there. Just go in the middle, just do it.
Oh my god. Oh my god, my shoes is literally both like look at my shoes. Are you going the right way? Why are you also recording me? Okay, let's follow the yellow brick road. Well, what color is this? Grayish brick road. Follow the grey brick road. Oh, it's too late now. We've already gone down those stairs. The dungeon bridge. Echo! Look at all those chickens. I don't want to slip. Just go. I'll follow. Okay then. Oh god, that's difficult. Look, the state of my shoes.
Jump!
Finally by the beach. There, Thurstaton. So we were parking somewhere in the Royden Park.
That's where it started, I think.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because the Hillbark Hotel, yeah. And so then
we parked right here.
That's where we parked.
Where are we now? Where does it say?
And we went there to the Thurstaton, and then we saw that, the viewing point. And then we went out.
Does it not have like a little yard here?
Doesn't seem to say. I don't know. Oh, we could have seen all these animals. Common lizard.
Or here.
Oh, that's a Royden Park. I don't know. No idea. Either way, we're nearly there. We're nearly back to Hillbark Hotel.
Right.
Oh, that's the parking.
This is where we are.
Oh, there.
This is where we are. This is where we park.
That's like, yeah, not far at all. We're not lost, are we?
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word.